I got you some new Twitch alerts and they look like this. That's right, 6 colors, 4 different alerts per color, so 24 items in total. So you can decide to stick to one single color, have all of your alerts, or just switch it up. Let's say you use StreamElements for your alerts. You would create a new overlay. You would add a new widget. That widget would be alerts, alert box, and let's go with follower alert. Click change video. On the right here, click upload. And from your desktop, you can just drag and drop the colors you want. It appears on the left here, click submit. And at the bottom here, let's emulate a follow alert to see what it looks like so far.
We got a new follower.
All right, not bad. I'm gonna make sure the layout is set to text over image. And since I already know this about StreamElements, I'm gonna go to text settings, then to advanced, and then I'm gonna play around with the top margin values. Basically right now, our text is -50 by default. It's all the way up out of frame. So if I type something like 100, you can kind of see it appear here. Let's go for 300, and that's pretty good. While I'm at it, I'm gonna set the highlight color to be red. Okay, now it's time to test it. I'm gonna emulate a follow event. There you go. Again, with the margin here, I can place this wherever I want. Towards the bottom seems to be the best. If you want a higher quality, you can always drag this and make it bigger since the whole canvas is 1080p. Boom, boom, then customize the text. Change the font. There's actually a custom font here. If I go to pick a font, and it's called Press Start to Play, and it looks like this. Not bad. If you are using Streamlabs, you want to log in with your account, go to alert box, and where you see that zombie right here, you want to click on that little box to upload your own graphics. Just like before, you can click and drag. So let's bring it up and let's pick this one. After a couple seconds, we'll see the preview. We can select it. So click on it and then click select. So just so you know, the animation is 5 seconds, but if you want your text to stay longer, you can definitely set that up. Under layout, we can set text over image. Make sure we save that, bottom right. Then under that green screen thing, we can click preview to see what it would look like. There you go. And once again, you can customize the text and make it look exactly how you want it to look. Now, where can you find this? Over at gumroad.com/getlevel. As you can see, it is not free, but it is like the cheapest that I can possibly make it. It's gonna look like this, and all you have to do is click on it and check it out. Make sure you read the description before buying anything ever. The description is pretty clear. It tells you exactly what's gonna be in the file, what to expect, what not to expect, where you can ask questions if you have any, and there's also the little preview right here. Now, of course, the preview is like spliced. I put them all together. But yes, those are individually WebM files with those animations. What else can I say? Oh, how to add them in OBS Studio, for example. I'm gonna name this Pocket Color because that's the name of the pack. I'm gonna save it, top right here. Then I'm going to copy the URL. So here in OBS Studio or even Streamlabs Desktop or whatever broadcasting software you're using, as long as it allows you to add links or browser sources, just go to add source, add a new source, make sure it's a browser source, call it whatever you want, Pocket Color Alerts, click OK, and then paste that link right here, right there. Now you can play with the width and the height depending on how you customized it, but we're gonna click OK. And now from the StreamElements website, I'm gonna emulate a follow event and it should appear right there. There's actually a little sound playing, but you can't hear it. Now those WebM videos are 1080p, 60 FPS. So if you want this to be huge, you absolutely can. If you wanna have like a higher quality or whatever, you're not gonna lose quality if you do that. It would look something a little bit like this. Now, if you do end up using StreamElements, don't forget to set the alert duration to 5 seconds. And then under animation settings, you kind of want to add a little bit of fading in and fading out. So enter animation, you want fade in. We'll set the duration to 0.5 seconds. And then fade out, we'll set that to 1 second. Don't forget to save. And let's click emulate a follower event. There you go. Now, of course, this was like 1080p full screen. You don't necessarily want to do that. I mean, it's yours now. Do whatever you want with it. Now, for those wondering how I made it in the first place, I used a software called Blender 3D. It's completely free, but I used Adobe After Effects to create the screen animations. Then from there, I keyframe the whole position, make it move like this, and then move like this. It was not easy. You can see all the colors I have here. Then at the bottom here, I have the 4 animations. So yes, I had to manually render 24 videos and it took days. Actually, I had an error with the sub animation right there. So I had to re-render those again. Anyways, this is the second 3D alert pack that I'm dropping. The reception was pretty positive on this one. I absolutely appreciate every single one of you for getting this one. The feedback was great, was amazing. So yeah, let me know what you think here. Oh yeah, by the way, if you click like add to cart here and it says you must input an amount, 99 cents for now, as recording of this video, 99 cents is like the minimum you can put, right? So if you would like to pay 99 cents, you just press 0.99 and then add to cart, and that will work, okay? It will put it in your cart. But if you're feeling more generous and you wanna pay a little bit more and you wanna tip, basically, because I modeled this thing from scratch, you can also do that, right? You can put 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go overboard with it. Please don't put like 400 and then charge back. Don't do that. I don't need that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Follow me on Twitch if you would like to talk about that kind of stuff, give suggestions, or if you have any questions about that kind of stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like, it's my time.